Every miner is expected to make use of gift card. In this video, I want to show you how to make use of gift card. Okay, as a new miner, this video shows how to make use of gift card for the first time. You understand? So whoever that refers you, you can request the person to send you a gift card, or if you see any gift card in any gift card exchange platform or hash card exchange platform, you copy the gift card. Okay, then you come and exchange with a person. The essence of this is the gift card. As a beginner, the gift card will increase your hash. Okay, the gift card will increase your hash by 30k. Now this is the hash. Okay, as you can see, we have 100k hash. Okay, so when you use the gift card as a new miner, it will increase your mine hash by 30k. Okay, now I have a gift card which I have copied. A friend sent it to me, so let me quickly copy it. Excuse me, let me quickly copy it. Okay, now this is my gift card. Okay, so I'll simply highlight, then I will copy it, then go back to my Satoshi mining app. I copied it from WhatsApp. A friend of mine sent it to me, so I've copied it already. So what I'll do now is I'll click on the gift card section. This is gift card. Okay, click on it. Okay, then after that I'll click on use gift card. As you can see, this is it, use gift card. So in this box, I am going to paste that gift card which my friend sent to me. This is it, I've pasted it. Then I'll click on confirm. Okay, now the gift card was used successfully. Okay, you click on close. So I want you to take a look at this. This my hash. Take a look at this. Excuse me. Take a look at this. This my hash has increased from 100k to 130k. So guys, this is how to make use of gift card for the first time as a beginner, as a new miner. Okay, now all these gift cards you see in this section, if you want to exchange this gift card, you share it with other miners that have not used gift cards before, or if you recruit new miners, you exchange these gift cards to them. And how do you do that? You click on copy. Okay, copied successfully. Then you go to whoever you want to send it to, or to whichever platform you want to drop the gift card. After which you attach the title. Okay, you name it gift card before you send to the platform. It could be Telegram, it could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, it could be your WhatsApp. Okay, whichever platform at all where gift cards are exchanged, you drop it there, so that whoever that has not made use of gift card before can actually make use of it. Okay, so guys, this is how to make use of a gift card. If you have any question in respect of this, you drop your questions in the comment section, and I will be glad to respond to those questions. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.